Hello! Welcome to Someka Random Date Generator. In this video, I'm going to show you all the functionalities and features that our date generator offers. Let us start with explanation of the sections. The template contains three main sections: generating dates, dates calculator, and a database with custom holidays. Let's start from custom holidays. You should fill in your list of holidays firstly. It can include official holidays, some of other free days, or even your vacations. After you update holidays database, you can proceed to other two sections. Now let's go to the Generating Dates tool. On the left side, you can see a settings table. We need to choose how many days we want to generate. Let's say 15. Then the range of the dates. And then we have an option which days we should include and which not. So if we want only weekdays and let us say excluding holidays, we need to check the boxes accordingly. Format date does not have any influence on the results, but how the dates will be presented. If we want our date to start with a month or a day, just select Start with a day and then choose desirable format. Now let us see the last but very important option. It can be a bit tricky at the beginning, but do not worry, I will try to explain it clearly. So, your generated dates can be chosen randomly or in order. If we want a random list of dates, we choose a random and we click to generate random dates. However, you may want to generate an ordered list. If we want dates every 5 days, then our step option should be a number of days, like it is right now. But if you want to choose every Monday and Wednesday, then our step should be a chosen weekdays. Like that. And then we need to choose every Monday and Wednesday in here. Remember that all the previous settings are still valid. So if we exclude our holidays, or for example Mondays, the list of dates will not contain them. One more nice feature is an update of a date format. Let us just say you have a generated list, but you want to see a year first. Just change the option and click Update Format. The dates will stay the same, but the format will be updated. And that's all for this section. Let's move to the other one. Date Calculator is a simple tool, but it can be very handy. The first option we see is the first day of a week. Sometimes we set first day of a week as a Monday, sometimes Sunday. Just choose your option. So what our calculator does? The first section is related to a range of dates. The range of dates can be, for example, your birthday and today, or beginning of a project and its due date. It shows how many days altogether is between chosen dates. Then the next one can be more useful at work, because we can calculate a number of working days. So if you want to plan your project, it is good to know how many days you really have. Sometimes our work schedule also includes Saturdays, so we can also include them in the working days. Useful option is excluding our custom holidays. Below the section tells us something about a single chosen date. We can see which week number it is, when that week begins and ends. So if we change now the first setting of a first day of a week to a Sunday, we will see the change in here. Besides that, you can see a day name and which day of year it is. Great! That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check our other templates on Someka website.